Good morning guys, in front of me is ONEPLUS NORD 3 5G and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first enroll the list of all apps, go to the settings then, now find and select users and accounts, and here we've got our current account. Mark it, and to remove this account tap on more icon and select remove account. Tap on remove account, and that's it, that will be all. Then whenever you want to add some Google account, you just go back. You also have to open users and accounts. Go to add account and select full service. Make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi, it's necessary. And now provide your email address or phone number that is connected with your account. Click on next. Now enter the password. And as only it is entered, next. Go with all the setup. And that's it, this will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.